Hey guys, Trina here, back with another day 21 of 30 Days of Art. Today I'm working on two 5x7 pieces that I'm going to hang in my photography studio. I have a personal branding shoots coming up this week and I wanted to make a collage wall. So I wanted some very specific colors to match my client's brand, so I'm going to make some pieces to hang there. Started off with some ink and made some abstract marks, and then I'm going to go back with the oil water-soluble pastels from Mungayo and blend them together. And you'll just see me working a lot here with the paintbrush. I love how these colors blend with water and the ink and the transparency they have. I'm adding some green colors here, some gray green, just to give more marks, more definition, building up layers. So then I'm going to add in some white to just add some definition and create more layers. It's all about layers and creating transparencies and space within space. So I'm drying it with a hairdryer, and then I'll be adding in some, I do believe, pink. I'm not quite sure why I like the pink with the ochre, but I think it's just a really good contrast. But it looks like I'm adding in some green. So now I'm adding the pink, and I love these Mirabeau crayons. I wish they sold them in bigger sets because I would buy every color. I love them so much, and they're so versatile when it comes to painting with acrylics, to doing cold wax. They really are completely versatile and water soluble. You can use them on top of a variety of mediums, and they just add, they're so creamy. It's like painting with lipstick. Okay, I think that's it for today after adding this black, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have an amazing, amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye.